art friends, it's almost Christmas time, and today I'll show you step by step how to draw a gingerbread man. Let's get started. Let's first start by drawing the head. So we're going to start by drawing an angle line here that is shorter, and on the other side I'm going to draw a longer angle line that goes this way. And then from here to here I'm going to draw some wavy lines. Small curved lines to show the bottom of the head. Going to continue through here. And connect. At the top of the head, I'm going to draw an oval. There. Now let's draw the gingerbread man's face. So from here, I'm going to draw a curved line. It goes out and comes back in. And on the other side, I'm going to draw another curved line. There. And from here, let's draw two hands sticking out. So one like this. Draw it out, round it off, and bring this hand back. There. And on the other side, let's do the same for the other hand. Let's go out, round it off, and I'm gonna draw another point across to here so that I know that where to end the left hand. There. And now from here on, let's draw two curved lines coming out and connect in the center. So let's do this. Round it off at the bottom. Same on the other side. Angle line. Round it off. And they are going to meet in the center. So here, I'm going to draw a small curve to show the opening and then connect to each side. There, so you have the gingerbread man's body shape. And now let's add some details. So I'm going to draw an oval, two ovals for his eyes. Curved line for a smile. And I'm going to draw two ovals on each side, and we're going to shade them in later. There. And right here, I'm going to draw a bow. So first, let's draw the loop. A small oval like that. And then let's draw the bow. There. And let's draw two small circles. And we are going to color later. So that's our gingerbread man, and let's now color it in. I'm going to fast forward, but please feel free to pause if you need more time. And finally, I'm going to use a white acrylic marker to add some icing on the gingerbread man. There, so that's how to draw a cute gingerbread man. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.